Hey guys, hope you had a good few days off. Let's start today, April 14th, by correcting our simile and metaphor assignment from Thursday of last week. So you were to identify if it was a simile or metaphor and then explain the two things that are being compared. I did the example for you on Thursday. So number one, I am as hungry as a bear recently awakened from hibernation. So I see as, which reminds me, as is a simile, and the two things being compared, my hunger is being compared to the hunger of a bear. Number two, she was a kite floating above the confusion around her. This is a metaphor because there's no like or as, and she is being compared to a kite. And then number three, like a silent thief, the dog crept into the kitchen. Oops, I forgot to say, but I see like here, so this is a simile. And the two things being compared, the dog and is being compared to a silent thief. Okay, so that is our practice from Thursday. We have a couple things today. First thing is a simile and metaphor assignment. It's going to be exactly like your practice. Okay, you're going to read the sentences, write if the sentence is a simile or a metaphor, and then explain what two things are being compared in each. So number one, my thoughts flutter from subject to subject like a butterfly visiting the flowers in a field. I see like in there, so that's a simile. Two things being compared, my thoughts are being compared to a butterfly visiting flowers. Okay. So you can see complete sentence, although I did not start with a capital, so let me make sure I do that. So simile, capital letter, complete sentence, ends with punctuation, 3 points is what this is worth. Okay, so you'll do that for each of those. And then the next thing you're doing is chapter 4 for Number the Stars. So you are either going to read the chapter, it is a little lengthier, okay, it's about 8 pages, or you can listen to it, and then you will have questions to complete. You have 5 true and false questions, and then again you have 2 short answer questions. Okay, so that is your what you're doing for today. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day, guys. Bye.